Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. Timo the Word Scout visits the Laughter Lodge in Vocabland, a place full of voices and smiles. The lodge feels lively and welcoming, with everyone gathered together. A new word fits this friendly feeling: gregarious. Gregarious means enjoying being with others and liking company. Conversations flow easily from one place to another. Sharing stories and laughter makes the space feel warm. Moving from group to group helps everyone feel included. Being social brings people closer together. The energy of the crowd feels uplifting and fun. Timo remembers that loving to be around others is called gregarious, and togetherness makes moments brighter.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.